This is George Scholes from Agoracom reporting to you live from the floor of the PDAC 2007, the world's biggest mining conference. With us right now is Gerri Paxton of Palmarejo Gold. Gerri, you guys have had a run from $1.50 to over $9 just in the last 18 months. What do you tell small cap investors out there that think they've missed the opportunity with Palmarejo?
Oh, I definitely don't think it's over just yet. Actually, we've delineated 3.1 million ounces of gold equivalent at Palmarejo with an average of 5.2 grams per ton gold equivalent. But the beauty of it is, as we're building Palmarejo to head towards production in the first quarter of 2008, we actually have two other targets that we've been drilling aggressively for the past 6 months, and we're getting some really good grades from them. So the upside potential for the exploration is still tremendous. We are only at the beginning to discover what's really on the land package at this moment.
How do you compare some of the grades you found in the other two projects to the original Palmarejo?
Well, the geologist, it's looking like Guadalupe may potentially be another Palmarejo. Obviously, the structure is at Palmarejo, topographically, it was only at 1,300 meters RL, and Guadalupe, the whole epithermal profile is still intact, and it's at about 1,600 meters. Right. So we have an additional 400 meters of depth at Guadalupe, and the ore chutes or clavos appear to be more than double the size at Palmarejo.
So the story of Palmarejo isn't done. You're not a case of one project, small cap, that's hit its full potential and waiting for somebody to come and take you over. You've got a lot more work to do.
Yep, definitely. As we're building Palmarejo, as I said, normally sometimes the stocks at that point kind of tend to be flat a little bit. But now with the two others that we've discovered, the La Patria, which is predominantly a gold system, and Guadalupe, the coming year people will have a steady flow of news. So let's hope to, potentially double the size of this deposit.
Let's talk about production of Q1 for Palmarejo. What do you expect to happen in the first year? When are you going to begin production, and what kind of ounces do you expect to be pulling out of the ground?
We're potentially going to be in commercial production the first quarter of 2008, based on the figures that we have only at Palmarejo, and that's outside of the Guadalupe or the La Patria targets that are being drilled right now. We expect to produce anywhere between 12 to 15 million ounces of silver a year, wow, with another 110 to 115,000 ounces a year of gold. And with the extremely high gold grades that we've been delineating, our cash costs would be less than $1 an ounce for silver.
Well, now you've got a great story of Palmarejo. Still a lot more to come. Still a lot more to be watching. For those of you who are new to the Palmarejo story, you can go to their website at www.palmarejogold.com, or maybe easier for some of you out there is the stock symbol PJO on the TSX Venture Exchange. This is George Scholes reporting from the floor of the PDAC, coming to you live on YouTube, where you can also find other interviews under the keyword PDAC. Gerri, thanks for being with us.
Thank you, George. Have a good day.